Welcome to Mount Vaca Radio Relay Station. We got some wind up here today. This is a brand new project that me and a handful of great hams have started, a rehabilitation to this once 1952 built Army radio relay station. The idea of this station was it was connecting the Presidio in San Francisco, an Army base, to another base up in Middletown, which is in Clear Lake. So today we came out and we're gonna start cleaning up the trash. We're gonna start working on paint and rehabilitating this tower and to one day put some radios in there of our own. Well, let's show you around the place, how it looks as we start this. Warning, there might be some images and languages not appropriate for children. So as I show the building here with your graffiti, I do apologize. Here is the back entrance into what we believe is the utility room. No shortage of graffiti. I apologize. We have some electrical panels. Electrical panels dating back from the 50s. And everything does seem to be operational and functional. We have an electrician on the team, thank you, Kellen. And he has since got some light bulbs and the power turned on. So we're looking really good there. It also has a automatic transfer switch used back in the 50s to connect a generator when loss of power occurs so the site can continue to operate. So this is the first room here coming in through, I guess we're going to call it the back. The room right next door we believe is a generator room, not to be confused with a bathroom. But has an intake with then an exhaust, as well as several electrical conduits in the floor. So it makes the most sense. What is this? A little bit of a grounding. We believe the generator would sit in here and be able to run in the event loss of power. Pretty good sized room here. We're going to be getting this cleaned up and removing the graffiti. As we come into this room here, this would be the bathroom with the typical drain. There is a septic up here, so that was where we'll put a toilet, so we can use the toilet appropriately. There's not running water yet. Running water could be possible in the future, as a well has been drilled. 700 foot, oh boy, let's not look at that too long. This room here, maybe a bedroom. Not a lot, basic circuit, not a lot in here. Maybe an office, maybe a bedroom. Then we have, we're gonna call it the front door and some windows. It looks like it was glass once and then painted. Probably original. Got some plumbing here, most likely a sink with even a mirror. That's been blown away. Very cool staircase. Reminds me of an old firehouse or something of that nature, all steel. I don't feel one bit worried climbing up this guy here. I think this will be here for a long time. Now we're in the second floor of this room. From what we were told by the owner, this was a grow room at one time, an illegal grow room. Oops. And they actually put in some kind of hokey electrical panel that they ran the conductors just willy-nilly all through. So we'll be removing those, getting that a lot safer. They even put in a air conditioner system. It does get hot, you know, it's over 100 degrees in the summer here. But you would assume this is the radio room. So you've got your floor space, your gutter to run your conductors. You can also see some really nice flat strapping for grounding. These guys knew what they were doing in the 50s. You know, this stuff is built very robust. So yeah, you could only imagine this is where the equipment would be. It's extremely windy outside. I don't know, it's probably coming through. That is looking out towards San Francisco. We'll go up on top so you can see better. That's Mount Diablo. With a hoist and some doors. So this will allow us to bring in equipment. So now this is the tricky part, is to continue up the tower. You have to go through these doors. Oh my gosh, and the wind I'm pushing on. Okay. So now we're on this platform, and now we have to climb this ladder. According to some documents I found online, the dimensions of this building are 30 by 30 by 50 feet tall, approximately 4 stories, and the Army paid somewhere around $75,000, again back in 1952, to build this very sturdy structure. And one can only imagine this is good old-fashioned American steel. Once at the top, you get a great view of Lake Curry, which is a reservoir for a neighboring city. Straight to the west is San Francisco. And as you look a little to the south, you get into the East Bay with Mount Diablo there. And Vacaville is also towards the southern direction. Looking out east is then going to be neighboring cities heading towards Sacramento and the foothills. As you look a little to the north, you can see airplanes coming and going from Sacramento International Airport. Hope this doesn't make you too sick looking straight down 50 feet. And then looking up north is in the direction of the Middletown receiving station. Let's head back inside and see what the guys are up to.
All right, so this is bourbon from Healdsburg.
Oh, nice.
Lost Republic, so I'm assuming it's tied to, what's that place called? Bear Republic.
All right, guys, we'll cheers. I guess so I have to talk? Yeah. Cheers, everyone, to being part of the Tower 20 team, or I'm not sure what exactly we're calling this. You know, it is the U.S. Army radio relay station built in 1952, and we're here to clean it up, make it better, and really just get ham radio, you know, back on the air. And I mean, it's unlimited what we can do here, and we thank Paul, the owner, and we hope you can join us in a future work day out here in Celebration. So, cheers, everybody! Cheers. Thank you, good friends, cheers. Hard workers. Wow, that's pretty smooth. I'm normally just a beer guy. wrap for our first work day. The month is February. There are going to be many more work days to come. We'll get this place turned around, and I think it'll be really something. So hope you enjoyed checking out what we're up to here on the hill, and we'll see you on the next one.